Welcome to Igbo History TV. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. In recent time, many people have been asking this question. Who is Simon Ekpa? What has he done? Who knows him? Where is he? And what is he? In this video, you will know more about Mazi Simon Ekpa. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. Simon Ekpa was born on 21st March 1985 in Mbo, a town in Ohuku local government area of Ebonyi State, Nigeria. Prior to his activism, he won a silver medal for Nigeria in 100 meters in the 2003 African Junior Athletics Championship in Cameroon. Ekpa has lived in Lahti, Finland since 2007. He is a member of the National Coalition Party of Finland and was a candidate in the 2022 Finnish county elections. According to reporting by YLE, Simon Ekpa's activism started to gather mainstream attention in February 2023. Finland with calls to investigate his activities and to determine if his alleged incitement fills the legal definitions for incitement against ethnic groups. The local Kokumus party in Lahti stated that they have started an internal investigation of these claims. Oji Anya Odem, representing the association Igbo Union Finland, stated in the same interview, he should stop inciting hatred and provoking. Ekpa does not represent the Igbo people of Finland. The Nigerian government has also demanded Finland stop Ekpa's activities. Many live in fear in Nigeria because of Ekpa. YLE traveled to Enugu to interview locals. When Ekpa has issued stay-at-home orders involving the coming Nigerian election, many in Enugu seem to heed this. Some, however, said they would go despite the stay-at-home orders. In late February 2023, YLE reported Ekpa is being suspected of having raised funds in an illegal manner by the Finnish National Bureau of Investigation. On 25th of May 2023, at the African Day celebration in Helsinki, Finland, the Universal Peace Federation awarded Ekpa Ambassador for Peace. Career. Ekpa was made lead broadcaster for Radio Biafra, associated with the separatist organization Indigenous People of Biafra (IPOB), after the arrest of political activist Nnamdi Kanu. However, Ekpa was not allowed to broadcast on radio, citing violation of the rules of the organization. As of 2023, he has been called the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile (BRGIE). The Nigerian Daily Post has in different articles referred to him both as Prime Minister and self-acclaimed Prime Minister.
Undermining democracy is not the right word. Rather, promoting democracy. You give the people a choice. And the choice of the Biafra people is a referendum. It is also a democratic process. So that is not undermining a democracy. More accepted democratic process is when you give the people choice to decide their fate. In Nigeria, Biafra people do not have a choice. And that is a historical problem created by the Britain. So everybody, as you have been a journalist with your experience and the history of Nigeria, you agree with me that Nigeria is a mistake because of the tribal and dangerous diversity in Nigeria, which is also a destructive diversity. So when you give the people the choice to choose how they want to live, that is a true democracy. A democracy is not when you bring in the military and invade communities, burn the communities because people are protesting. You kill them. Is that democracy? Do you do that in the United Kingdom? The answer is no.
Ekpa stated in 2023 that Biafra Republic government in exile is registered, approved and legal. Agent of Nigeria take note. In December 2022, Ekpa ordered 5-day sit-at-home civil disobedience in southeast and some part of south-south Nigeria, formerly Biafra, from 9 to 14th of December. On the 14th of June 2023, Ekpa announced a week-long sit-at-home from 3rd July to 10th July 2023. Simon Ekpa is a Finnish lawyer, political activist, and a former athlete. He is one of the current leaders of the Biafra independence movement. He is the designated Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile.